Crank is bringing its long-range IoT network to life. Here's how you can join the project and receive Crank tokens directly to your Koala Wallet. Start by going to their website, crank.io, and open the dashboard to log in with your Google account. Select the wallet option on the left and set a password for your Crank account if you haven't done so yet. Now select Import Wallet and enter your Koala Wallet's private key. Instructions for getting your private key are on the video's description. If you did it correctly, the page's public key will match your Koala Wallet's address. Crank works exclusively on Chain 0. You won't see the full wallet balance on the website if your KDA is on other chains, though there is nothing to worry about. With Koala Wallet, you can start a chain swap in seconds. In the Koala app, open your KDA wallet and press Send. Choose yourself as the destination, set the chain to 0, then send from any chain where you have a balance. Soon the cross-chain transaction will complete in Chain 0. Refreshing the Crank dashboard will update your balance. Once you start earning Crank tokens, press the plus button on Koala Wallet's home screen and enable the Crank token wallet. And there it is. In just a couple of minutes, your Koala Wallet is fully integrated into the Crank system. Feel free to check our channel for other video tutorials and have an awesome day.